Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Got some Nutella icing for you. Yep. Okay, YouTube fam, here's what we need to make that vanilla Nutella frosting. We need 1 stick of butter. It can be salted or unsalted, doesn't matter. 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of Nutella. And I'm gonna use some vanilla flavor. It's McCormick vanilla flavor, so it's not vanilla extract, but it's actually clear vanilla flavor. All right, y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. So into this bowl, I've put 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now putting a stick of butter. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to work this in. You can use a fork if you want to, but the butter should be so soft that you should be able to do it with this spatula. But if not, you can cut it in with a pastry cutter, not necessary. Like I said, just use a spatula. So what you end up with is your mixture looking like that. Now the 1/4 cup of milk, you want to add this a little bit at a time, like really a little bit at a time. All right, so you can see I'm trying to stir it. It's still a little dry, but still you don't want to pour it all in there. Just take your time, pour it. Look, it's turning into a frosting consistency. See that? All right, now that's why you don't want to pour it all in, but if you do pour it all in and it's too thin for you, you can always add more powdered sugar. So any icing you make or frosting with powdered sugar is always giving. You can always add more powdered sugar, so it's not going to hurt. But look at that. You get this to a nice thick consistency like this, which is exactly what we're looking for. All right, so at this point we've added the sugar, the milk, and the butter. So you can add that vanilla extract, that vanilla flavoring. You can add that anytime you want to add it. It doesn't matter. So you can add it now or you can add it later. So if you happen to forget about it, don't worry about it. All right, so in went the vanilla extract right there. Right, stir it really well. Look at that. That's nice. That consistency is really nice. All right, so when you get to this consistency right here, that is when your Nutella goes in. So right there you have a plain vanilla frosting. So if you wanted to do just vanilla, that is the way to do it right there. So add in all of the Nutella. Add in all of it and just take your time and stir it. So keep in mind when you're spreading too, Nutella, that it's got pieces of hazelnut in it, so you'll never get a totally smooth looking frosting. It's always going to have little bumps in it here and there because of the hazelnut. So just keep that in mind. But at this point, you want to get this stirred up, and you want to get it stirred up well. Now, if you want to leave this swirl like a swirled look, you really could. Because you got vanilla and then you got that Nutella. But me, I don't want it swirled. I want it mixed completely. So, all right. So it's still kind of tough right now. So you see I'm holding a spatula. Yes, indeed, I have to hold it like that because this became kind of difficult. But it's a good consistency. It really is. So you know if you have to pipe this or you're going to spread it, that this is perfect. All right, so what I want to do is I just want to get it all stirred up. You can see what it looks like. My suggestion to you at this point is do not add anything. Do not add sugar. Do not add milk. Do not add anything. All right, so keep stirring. Make sure you get all of the vanilla off the bowl. You should not at this point have any dried powdered sugar anywhere in your bowl. So basically, when you get to this point right here where you're stirring it, that's it. Your frosting, your Nutella frosting is ready. Nice. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.